Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll walk you through Paytm Money app and how I do the investment on mutual funds and how I select the funds. This is a Paytm Money app. On the home itself, you can see the total investment that has been done and what's the current value and overall return. Here my current investment are of there are two funds that I have invested in. Both are ELSS 3-year lock-in investment, but today I'm gonna show you how to invest in the regular funds. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the bottom of the page. You will find mutual fund in all investment options. We'll go there. This is again the same portfolio which you see here, and you can see whatever that is in progress. So in the morning I did a investment of 50k in one of the funds, that's reflecting here, which is in progress. So what I do is, getting started with investment, I'll go for funds with best return. So this basically shows a different type of funds like equity, then hybrid, tax saver. When you say tax saver, those are like 3-year lock-in period. Then debt funds, commodity. Okay, my favorite is equity. I go for equity, and you have several options like 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year kind of thing to see what's the return looks like, right? Basically I prefer to go to you know 3 month, 1 year kind of thing. It depends. For example, if we go to 3 years, right, or maybe let's say 1 year, 1 year, and 3 month, you see Motilal Oswal is the highest gainer in the 3 month time frame, which is again a mid cap. You can also see whether it's a mid cap or small cap or multi cap. That gives you an idea, and you can plan your diversification based on that. Basically I think mutual fund itself is a diversified uh, investment. So further diversification within mutual fund will I would say dilute. So we'll go for 3 year. Then I see ICICI Prudential Bharat 22, right? We'll go there, and as of yesterday it was down 0.93. So basically if you look at this particular fund, you'll be able to see in 1 month what was the return in last 1 month, right, in 3 months, then in 6 months, 1 year, like that. And also in large cap, this is the number one fund, uh, rated fund, and in value research I think it's 5 star. Then you can also see the return calculator. If you invest 1 lakh, what the amount looks like for 3 years, you know those kind of things. Then riskometer, it will be very high, being equity. Then fund information, this will go later. Before that we'll see scheme holdings. So this shows the distribution of this fund, right, in what all the sectors they are distributed. If you go to view all, you see that it's distributed in energy, financial, consumer, construction, capital goods, metal mining, and materials. So pretty wide distribution overall. And within these sectors, the investment is done in several of the companies. I think here we are not able to see the companies, because again this is being invested in Bharat 2022 ETF. It's so they basically invested in their own ETF, which is invested in companies which are in these sectors, So coming back to this, some of the key things that I look is what is the overall performance of this fund, right, in last 3 years or 5 years or in a year, 6 months. So this is a pretty decent fund which has grown. And also if you look, you can see on the left side the Nifty 50, the return it shows, the index and this fund. So here, for 3 months it's exactly same, amazing. But if you go for 1 month, Nifty 50 was minus, it was down, right? And this is 0.5%. If you go to 6 month, here you see Nifty 50 is 10% and it's 5% ahead, right? This is 15. 1 year 3 times, 3 year 4 time kind of thing, 5 year double, right? So this fund has always outperformed Nifty 50, a benchmark. So I prefer, that's a one positive thing for me to consider investing in this. And large cap, rating 1, value research star 5, risk is very high, I am aware of that and okay with that. Then fund information is something which is very important for me, right? If you look at the fund, it says open ended fund, then it's a growth, total asset size is 1500 crores. Expense ratio is 0.12. Expense ratio is something which is lower the better, because that is the amount of expenses that fund incur to maintain this fund, to pay to the fund managers, to pay the commissions or fees, whatnot, right? That's basically expenses. So if this is less, it's more better, because that expense ratio is something which at the end of the day, they're gonna collect from you or me as an investor, right? And cash holding is whatever that is left with them, which is ready to invest kind of thing, right? And one more best thing here is exit load, that you need to see. See, from my perspective, even if it is a mutual fund, I don't wait for a long period. So I try to redeem as and when I feel that it's a time to redeem and reinvest, or take the profit out and reinvest the principal, or do whatever the combination, right? So for me, exit load is very important. So there's no exit load, expense ratio is low, fund has always performed better than Nifty 50. Then the sector allocation that is this fund has done is wide, right? It has covered almost all the sectors kind of thing. So fund in this category. Other category, if you look at the funds which are in the similar category, right, the 3 which are showing here, and this fund has surpassed the outperformed all other funds in the same segment. So I don't see any reason not to invest in this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna invest let's say 1 lakh, okay, in this fund. What I do is go one time. There are 2 options, SIP and lump sum. I always prefer lump sum. Then go here, put 1 lakh, proceed. I should get an OTP. Copy, yes, verify, then I go to ICICI Pay, then I say accept. Okay, it says your transaction amount is exceeding the daily limit of 1 lakh, because in the morning I did a 50k transaction. Maybe that's the reason it is asking, but I think I need to check with bank uh, how can I increase that, because in coming videos, in coming days, you know, I'll try to make higher amount investment. So we'll go back again. Yes, let's do 50. What we'll do is 50. Again, I'll wait for an OTP. That's done. Okay, verify. Go to ICICI. Okay. Yes. Then it asks for PIN. Done. So now the investment is done, right? For 50,000. So you can track your investment. It says mutual fund payment order has been placed on the almost same time. I haven't yet got the confirmation. Once it get confirmed, right, that will reflect in your portfolio. So one more way to check that is go back, go to home, click on the three dot. Sorry, not here. Go to mutual fund, then go to for you, then go here on the investment, right? Then it says, then go to in progress. So the one which I did in the morning, you can see, and one what we tried just now, which got failed because of the limit, right? But the latest one what we tried for 50k, that's done. So once this get confirmed, right, that gonna appear here in the investment successful section or buy section. Then that will be a part of your portfolio. Okay, so I think it's a good start. So I'll try to find out from bank how can I increase the limit. So next week we'll meet again when the market opens, and we'll try to buy some more, uh, good funds. And my aim is not to buy and forget kind of thing. Buy, keep monitoring, and whenever you have a right return, redeem, repeat the process, be patient. So and once you learn the art of making an return, right, it could be a small, and redeem, invest, redeem, invest, redeem. So that cycle has to repeat. The more you repeat, the more compounding gonna happen, right? It's all about how fast you can double your money. I think we are good for today. Again, we'll meet next Monday. Have a great weekend. Thank you.